Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, Social Club failed to initialize with error code 16, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first up you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Visual C++. Now you're going to go on to this first link from Microsoft.com. You're going to scroll down on here and you're going to download this x64 version. Just download and install this file, and once you're done installing it, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform. So if you have the game on Steam, you're going to open Steam up. If you have it on Epic, you're going to open Epic Games up. If you have it on Rockstar Games Launcher, you're going to open Rockstar Games Launcher up. I'm going to show you how to fix it on all three of these platforms. You're going to right click on GTA on Steam. You're going to go into properties, go into install files, click verify integrity of games files, and then I'll show you how to do it on the Epic Games Launcher. You're going to click onto these three dots on GTA 5, click manage, click verify then. And after that, I'll show you how to do it on the Rockstar Games Launcher. You're going to go into settings and then you're going to scroll down on here, and here you'll have the scan games files, and you're going to click onto that, and that will scan your games files. And after that, now whenever you try to play the game, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that Social Club error 16 anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.